Finishing up placing the rest of my pretzel snaps right here on my baking sheet. Here I have some delicious white melted chocolate, and I'm just gonna start pouring this all over these pretzels here. Look, it just starts oozing out. Look at all that chocolate. Ooh, I love chocolate and pretzel combination. Doesn't get much better than that. Okay, let's see how much chocolate we have in here left. Let's go ahead and grab our spatula and we'll get out the rest of that chocolate. Ooh, yeah. Now you want to just kind of gently spread all of that chocolate around just so it coats your pretzels. Oops, it's okay if they come up a little bit. You can always rearrange them. No big deal. But you could just gently move the chocolate, just nice and carefully, all over the tops of these pretzels. Okay, you can see that we have all of this chocolate now is covering our pretzels. That's exactly what you want. Now here I have a little bit of blue food coloring, and I'm gonna come in and look at this. I'm just gonna place a couple of dots right here on the top of this blue food coloring, all right on top of this white chocolate, you guys, and wait until you see what happens when we add this blue to the chocolate. Then we're gonna come in a little bit of red because we're being festive and patriotic, right? This is a super easy treat, easy snack that you can bring to your 4th of July get together. So we have a little red and we have a little blue all on that chocolate. Now you're gonna come in with a stick, a toothpick, and look at that. You see how all of that color? Ooh. So we're just gonna swirl all of this food color right in with this chocolate. And the more you swirl it, the more the color is gonna spread out, the lighter the color is gonna become. Here, let's take it this direction. Ooh, and that red and blue looks so good together. How cool, look at that. Ooh, I love the way that looks. That looks so cool. And you can put as many swirlies here. Maybe we should take it diagonal a little bit and get all those swirls all in there.
Regular
So
Picasso
cool.
over here.
Make art with your snacks and your treats, and then you share it. What a great idea. One last swirl there all the way down. That looks fantastic. Now we have ourselves some red sprinkles here. Let's take that top off. We're gonna give this some red sprinkles right over top. Gives it a little shiny glistenness. And some blue sprinkles, of course. Obviously the theme here is red, white, and blue. And we'll just sprinkle that right over top as well. Just filling in some of those white spots. Look at that, that looks so good. I love how colorful this is. It's just an easy thing that really we're just kind of fancying it up a little bit. And look at that. That's it. Now we're just gonna let that cool down and we're gonna let that dry. Then we're gonna break it up and it's gonna be our own little pretzel bark. And it's gonna be pretty darn tasty, I'll tell you that. So stick around and let's see how this is when it's all finished. Our pretzel bark is all done. Ooh, look at how pretty those colors look. I wanna lift this up right here and see all those pretzels on the bottom. Look at how the white chocolate is just into all those nooks and crevices. Ooh, that is gonna be so delicious. So we're just gonna take this, I'm just gonna start to break it apart. And that's the other thing too, because we're using these squared pretzels, it really is easy to break this all apart. So you can keep it in big, smaller pieces. I'm gonna have some big chunks, maybe a little bit of smaller chunks, but just break it all apart. Ooh, this looks great. And I'm just gonna go over here and I have this cute little star dish, and I'm just gonna place all of this pretzel bark right here in this dish. Look at how cool that looks. Ooh, I love the swirls. And you know what else? Anybody can make this. You could even get your kids involved, and I bet they would really enjoy decorating it. Super fun. Okay, we are loading up this star here. This looks so good. A couple more pieces to stick in. Ooh, look at that one. That one looks cool. Let's put that one in the front. All right, we'll just go ahead. We're going to just slide this over. I'm going to top the center of this awesome snack with some blueberries. We'll put that right there in the middle. Some juicy blueberries. Then we'll grab some raspberries and we're gonna add them right in there with our blueberries. Ooh, and they're gonna go so good. Take a little berry, take a little bite of some chocolate covered pretzel. Look at that. What a cute little 4th of July treat, or really a treat that's good for any time. I'm gonna take this piece right here in the front. Delicious as always. Now, of course, you can use any chocolate that you would like, but I would definitely recommend the white chocolate because it shows up the colors the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this treat. Let me know if you do anything different, if you would add anything else, and we'll see you later.